Have you ever wondered why turmeric is considered a magical spice? Well, the golden allure of turmeric has been captivating us for almost 4,000 years, primarily in South Asia, where it is a staple in Ayurvedic medicine. But what gives turmeric its magical medicinal properties? It's all thanks to a compound known as curcumin, the superstar responsible for turmeric's healing prowess. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, and it's this compound that gives turmeric its power to alleviate pain, particularly pain associated with inflammation. Take this into account. In one study, individuals experiencing arthritis pain reported that their discomfort was more reduced after consuming 500 milligrams of curcumin compared to 50 milligrams of diclofenac sodium, an anti-inflammatory drug. This implies that the curcumin in turmeric has a more significant impact on reducing pain levels. Moreover, additional research supports this claim, indicating that a turmeric extract was as effective as ibuprofen in treating pain in patients suffering from knee osteoarthritis. However, before you rush to grind some turmeric, remember this: turmeric is a notorious stainer. Plus, it contains only up to 3% of curcumin. Therefore, for effective relief, curcumin supplements might be a better option. That said, a soothing turmeric latte might still offer some benefits. Around 2 to 5 grams of the golden spice could still work its magic. Just remember to add a pinch of black pepper, as it enhances the absorption of curcumin. So there you have it. The golden magical spice known as turmeric is not just a kitchen staple, but a powerful healer thanks to its star component, curcumin. Its ability to alleviate pain, particularly associated with inflammation, makes it a significant player in the world of natural remedies. So next time you're feeling a bit under the weather, why not reach for some turmeric? It might just be the golden remedy you need.